Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, losses. Loss comes in many forms, in many stages of life. A new low is not a fun place to find ourselves. It can feel sad and overwhelming. There are lots of ways to think about this spot, like being up a creek without a paddle. This idea is also the premise for the Canadian hit comedy Schitt's Creek. The show takes it to the extreme. The Roses, an ultra-wealthy family, suddenly lose everything: home, business, all their material possessions. No one we know in real life has faced anything quite like this, but being able to laugh at and with the Rose family can help us shore up our own inner strengths. When it seems like things couldn't possibly get any worse, we may have an opportunity. Things can only get better. So whether you're starting your investment journey or starting over in some way, any day is a great day to begin. We can give ourselves a new day one at any time. The Roses eventually saw things this way. Each family member gradually took new risks and learned new things. In the end, each one became more self-reliant. Remember that time you had to learn to do something different, or when you had to change a habit? Each of us has done it throughout our lives. It happens in our school days, at each new job, and with each change in our families and households. If you've done it before, you can do it again. And honestly, if the Rose family can do it, anyone can. We're ready to help you begin or begin again anytime. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.